Mohammed Tala. I am the creator and co-founder of Writer-GPT. Today, in this video, we are going to learn about content calendar, which is a new feature in Writer-GPT. So, how does this feature work? What is the advantages and benefit of this feature? So, let's get started. Actually, what this feature do? This publish scheduled jobs. So you can plan your future content, like you can plan content for your client website for next 30 days. First of all, we need to choose our topic. Let's say this is for client. You can name that client. I will say Lucas. So now we have to focus keywords that we are going to use for this client, and I will have following keyword. Let's say I will go with general keyword: YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, Writer-GPT, semantic SEO. Right. So let's say these are the keywords that will be published and on a fixed date. So you can choose a date, and on that date these articles will be published. So it's not necessary that you choose so many keywords. You can only go with one or two keyword as well. Let's say semantic SEO writer keyword will be published on, and I will choose a date 20th March, which is planned, in review, and in draft. So it is planned, and it will ask auto generate article on scheduled date. Yes, we will generate article. Now it will show the settings related to article. I need it in 2000 words, informative. And one more good feature, that you can choose your template from here. So I have created a template which is named test. You can choose that template and it will fetch all the settings related to that template, or you can choose a mode as well. Let's say I'm going with rank math mode, so you can choose a template. It will show this template is related to rank math. Let's say fully SEO optimized, so this name is test, and for rank math this template name is SEO. Let's see if we have template for SEO result. So yes, it is MTS. So now you can generate content. You can write any notes as well. You can add anything here, and you can choose these colors. I will go with this one, and I will create this job. So we have created our first job, and you can check in calendar that we have created a job for client Lucas. You can drag and drop this as well. You can simply click on it to open this, or you can drag it from here to here. This is how it works. It is interactive as well. So now let's create another job. Let's go to new calendar again, and it is for same client Lucas, and keywords will be YouTube, SEO, Facebook, WhatsApp, and TikTok. So these are the keywords, and these articles are planned on 22nd March. And yes, I need article for these as well. I will go with rank match, and I need my predefined template, and I will create this job. So we have planned jobs. So these are the scheduled job that has been published, and it is showing this here as well. Auto generated schedule, 8 auto generated schedule, and it is showing that it has generated 6 articles. So you can see those articles as well, but definitely it will show all the articles. It will bring you to article page. Currently there is no such way to see that, like we don't have a feature to mention these articles are generated by scheduled job. But yes, you can remember those keywords. You can see those keywords, and these were the article that we have generated. This one is Russia, and this is a test art. These are test article, so you can search for those articles as well. So this is how this feature works. I hope you understand the video and you understand the concept of content calendar. So keep enjoying, keep watching. Thanks for using ChatGPT. Goodbye.